Hi everyone, Sean Kennedy here from the YouTube channel Java AC Certification Training. In this video I'd like to look at enthuware question 2.1195, which is all about the instance of keyword. We have an inheritance hierarchy here. A, B, C, and D are the classes, and then we create an object of type C. We have a reference of type B referring to it, and then we have a reference of type A. And then we evaluate some if statements which use the instance of keyword, and then we output based on whether they're true or false, and we're asked which ones will be executed. In other words, which will be output, A, B, C, or D, and we have to select 3. So what I'd like to do now is draw up that hierarchy in UML and then go through the code. So there's the code over here. And this is the corresponding hierarchy, A, B, C, and D. Here is a parallel hierarchy to help make it a little easier. So Ferrari is a sports car, is a car, is a vehicle. So let's look at this particular command here. B is assigned new C. So that is a reference of type B, named B, is referring to an object of type C. The next one is the reference of type A, called A, is assigned whatever is in B. So it's now referring to whatever B was referring to. So you were putting a reference of type B into an A. So we were going from a B into an A. You were going up the inheritance tree. That's okay, because every B is an A. Every car is a vehicle. That's why we didn't need a cast on the right hand side here. We were going from B, capital B, that's a reference of type B, into a reference of type A, capital A. The types are in capital letters. The reference names, or the identifiers, are in lowercase. So now what we're going to do is go through the if statements. If A, instance of A, output A. So what that means is that if A is referring to an object which is of type A, then it's true. So let's look at it. We are referring to an object using the reference A which is of type C. So that then means, well, is a C an A? Is a sports car a vehicle? Yes. A C is an A through inheritance. A sports car is a vehicle. So A will be printed because that if statement will be true. What about A instance of B? Well, A is referring to an object of type C. Is a C a B? Is a sports car a car? Yes. So that's true. A instance of C, yes, it's a C. A C is a C. A sports car is a sports car. So A, B, and C are printed. There are 3 options, but let's just check the last one. A instance of D. Well, there's your instance of refers to the object over here. What type is it? It's a C. Is it a D? Is a C a D? Is a sports car a Ferrari? No, because a sports car could be a Porsche. Every Ferrari is a sports car. Every Porsche is a sports car, but not the other way around. Every sports car is not a Ferrari because there could be a Porsche. So that is false. So that means our options then are A, B, and C. So I'll just go back to enthuware and validate that. And there we go. The program will print A, B, and C when run. The object denoted by reference A is of type C. So the object referred to by reference A is of type C. The object is also an instance of A and B, since C is a subclass of B and B is a subclass of A. The object is not an instance of D. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, please click like. Subscribe if you'd like to get further videos. Any other questions, please leave them below. Thanks very much.